What's up, people? Charles here, and I'm back with another feature point video. And basically, in this video, I want to. I know people are trying to figure out how to get referrals, and as you can see, I have 13 referrals, but none of them haven't did nothing. But they signed up through my link, and basically, I was just testing a couple of different traffic sources to see if people would come in and people would take action. But as you can see, people don't take action. They'll sign up for something and then they expect, just because they signed up, they expect it to work magically. But I brought these referrals in just with the link that they give you. So now I went and created a one page website, and this is the first video that I did on feature point. And I put this video here. Then I put this get instant access box, and it goes to this link to my referral code. So if they click this video basically explaining how you can make free money with feature points. But you do have to do some work. But by creating this one page website and basically just sending traffic to this website, one, the people get to see who they're signing up under, and they can buy this video. Either they're gonna like it or they're not. Either it's not no big thing if they don't sign up. But this is just a way they can see me. This is my face. They see me, and I'm explaining about feature points. And then if they decide, well, oh, this is a person I'd like to join, they can sign up through my link, and then they can start downloading the apps and building their points. And if they don't, it's not a problem, because I'm basically gonna just send paid traffic to this site. I just set it up, but I will be sending tons of traffic to this one page website. People join, they don't, they do. It really don't matter. But it's all a numbers game. The more people I get to see this website, eventually people gonna join and they're gonna take action. But I'm not gonna force them to they're gonna do it on their own. I'm just explaining the opportunity, showing them what I'm doing, and that's it. And I'll just send paid traffic to this every day, every week, whatever, however you want to do it. And it's a couple places where you can get some cheap traffic to send to whatever offer you're doing. And that's basically all you're gonna have to do. And then I'ma still do videos on YouTube, but that's basically it. And they just added something new to this too while I'm on here. They have like some kind of contest. I haven't really looked into it, but it says win 30,000 points, earn tokens from app surveys and cashback, earn one token for every 20 points you earn. And every day, I guess it's something where you can win points, because I think what 30,000 points is $50. And basically you get when you I haven't did nothing with this. I haven't even really been downloading the apps or anything here lately. But basically they're giving away however many times you download, you get, every time you download apps, you get a token. So if you download 10 apps, you get 10 tokens, and they get added. They get added into this pot, and on Saturday is when they do the drawing, and whoever get picked out of his, they get 30,000 points. That's $50, and they're doing this. I guess they're doing this like I guess once a week or something. I really haven't looked into it, but always says every day. Because if you download your apps every day, you have a better chance of winning this, and that's pretty cool. You can win $50. The $50 a week is free money. The money's already free. All you really have to do is do the surveys and download the apps. But the main part of this video was about showing you the whatever you could do this for whatever opportunity. Create just a one-page website and put a video on there. You can go on Google and find a button, put the button on there, and set it up, and then just start driving traffic to the one-page website. And that's basically all you have to do. You don't have to talk to nobody unless somebody hits you up and they have questions. That's it. So I hope you got some value from this video. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.